Holy shit. I don't even know what time it is now. But I just spent a while washing my car. It sucks, or it takes longer here because the sun is so hot that you have to wash your car in sections and panels. So I can't just wash the whole car and then scrub down the whole car and then wash away all the soap all at once. I have to do it. I think I did it in 3 or 4 sections. And then after that, I use Car Pro Reload, which is like it's like reloads your ceramic coating, which my car is not ceramic coated. It was like a couple years ago, but I just put it on there because it seems to last longer. It seems like a good medium to buffing your car. It's a good protectant. It lasts longer than quick detailers or whatever. So I just did that. And because the sun's so hot, it leaves streaks in the car. So I had to wipe down the whole car again after I put that on there. I'll show it to you guys in my garage, not outside in the sun, but it'll be okay. I'm about to throw out some stuff and then jump in the pool. But yeah, nice and clean. It is good because I haven't washed my car since I moved here. And even before then, in Pennsylvania, I don't think I've washed it for a while. I have to get to removing this tile and doing all this work. But before all that, I'm gonna jump in the pool. So throw out some garbage that's in the garage, just like some old chemicals that are left in there, and then jump in the pool. Dusty. I think I broke it. It's not supposed to be squashed out like that. Oops, it's gonna have some wiggle, but hopefully it's okay. Well, I didn't break anything. Like there's no plastic in here to break. It's naturally like that. So I don't know what I did. This instruction says optional, adjust, rotate the plus towards the tank to reposition toilet seat. And at first I thought they meant plus as in the top of the screw. But now I think they mean plus as like there's a plus on this. But I don't understand how it wants me to rotate it because it just locks in here. So it's not like rotating it this way doesn't do anything. It doesn't fit that way. It only goes in this way. Stop fidgeting around. Just trust me. I decided to spare you guys the visuals. I mean, I guess I'm probably making it worse anyway, talking about it now, or making it just as bad. But that toilet seat, I'm not going to get too close to it so you don't see how nasty it is. It was like crusty stuff, like crusty urine or something. Oh, I wanted to vomit the whole time that I was there. I have a feeling the next one I'm going to do is going to be bad too, because these are both the upstairs bathrooms. The first bathroom was a guest bathroom. All right, next order of business, my water. It's a little bit too soft for my liking. And I think I know how to fix it. Look at that beautiful M2, all nice and shiny. I finally cleaned it the other day. I don't know if I told you guys, but I went outside and washed it, and it's all nice and smooth, baby. All right, in this thing, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a setting that says water hardness level, and I have no idea how to get to it, but that's what I think can change how slimy my water is. If I lower the hardness level, then, because say it's at like level 17, well, it's going to think to use enough salt to satisfy a level 17. But if I lower it to like a level 12, maybe I'll just do a level 15 for now. If I lower it to 15, then it should use less salt because it thinks the water's less hard than it really is. All right, so let's see what we got here. To get to the menu, let's see what we can do here. I mean, I know you guys don't really care. For some reason, this was on salt level 3.5. I added salt like last week and raised it up to level 4, and then now it says it's on 3.5. But clearly, there's it's up to the level 4 in this thing. There's markings on the side. It's up to level 4. So I changed it from 3.5 to 4. But to get to the menu, you just hold thing up, hold the button up, and then it'll say enter authorization code. Then you press up twice, and then it'll take you to a menu that says service mode or installer mode. And then I just went to installer mode and then changed the salt level to 4, and then I changed the water hardness level to 14. So we'll see how that is.